Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to create a Twitch account. Firstly, you need to open your preferred browser. On the search bar, click over there and search twitch.com. We are going to create a Twitch account. Let's click on sign up at the top right corner of the screen. Now you will be required to enter your username and password. After that, click on next step. Now you will be required to enter your email. Also, you can use your phone number instead. Let's click on email. Now you will be required to enter your email address. Then click on next step. You need to enter your birth date. Now click on sign up. If you want to save your password on the Google, then tap on save. If you don't want, then tap on never. Now a verification code is sent on our email address. Let's check our inbox. Here you can see a verification code sent by our Twitch. Here you can choose some interest. Click on it. You can choose one or more categories or channels that will be streamed right now, or you can deny it. And this is how you create your Twitch account. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.